Okay, today we're just trying to find why this BA Falcon isn't running properly. So what I've just done, I've taken the cover off where the coils are here, and I've taken the air cleaner off. And what I've done, I've just pulled these up, just so they're loose in there. And we're going to try and find if one of the coils, or maybe possibly a spark plug's not working properly. So we'll just start it up now. And you can see it's running pretty rough. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pull these up and watch for the revs to drop. See if it runs worse if I pull it up. You can see the revs have dropped a little bit there. And there we go, number 2. Looks like number 2, there's nothing happening. Can't hear the spark going. Number 3, revs are dropping. Number 4, revs are dropping. You can hear it sparking as well. Number 5, same. And number 6. So it looks like got a problem with number 2. We can take that right out. There's nothing happening. So I'd say possibly this coil's buggered on it. So we're just going to replace that and see how we go. Now we just remove the little clip there. You just press it. I need 2 hands to do it. You pull that clip out and the coil just comes out. These look like they've been an aftermarket one. And I've actually got a genuine one there, an old one there that I've kept. I'm just going to try that one and see how it goes. There you go, it seems to be running smoother already. So if we pull that up, you can hear that one sparking in there as well. It's actually working. And the motor is running perfect there. There you go. Easy fix. I'll just go and buy a new one of these now, or ask the customer if they want to stick with the second-hand one. Anyway, might get you out of trouble at some stage. Thank you for watching.